Hi all. Welcome to Cutouts. Today I'm going to introduce a amazing gadget. Xiaomi Mi Home Security Camera, 360 degrees accessible with 2K white color 2021 version, model number, BHR4457GL. Here is the most wondering specification. Upgraded 6P lens for a higher quality display. The fully upgraded lens effectively reduces undisturbed sleep. Enhanced infrared night vision for clear images even in low light. The 940 nm infrared light with no visible red glow leaves you and your family to sleep undisturbed. Features a high sensitivity image sensor, and displays color video even under low light conditions. Mi 360 degrees home security camera maintaining continues to display color video even in low light conditions. f1.4 large aperture for clear picture even under low light conditions. The f1.4 large aperture lens lets significantly more light enter, capturing detailed images even in low light conditions. The AI human detection effectively filters false alarms. With a combination of deep learning applications, as well as algorithm and network optimization, AI effectively filters false alarms for improved accuracy. Mi 360 degrees home security camera. Display camera video output on your device. Simply ask your Mi smart clock to show real-time video output from your camera. Mi introducing 3 easy storage methods for increased security. Supports 3 storage methods is: Option 1 a local micro SD card. Option 2 network attached storage devices. And the option 3 is cloud. So you can back up your data with peace of mind. Enable your Mi security camera in 3 simple steps. First one, download the Mi Home application from your Android or iPhone Play Store. Then power on the Mi 360 degrees home security camera 2K. And the last setup is open the app, search for Mi 360 degrees home security camera 2K, and connect to the device to use it normally. Every detail in sharp 2K clarity. Zoom in on objects and capture clearer details and colors with 23041296 resolution. f1.4 large aperture and 6P lens. Large aperture ensures adequate light intake to capture the details of the image. Fully upgraded lens to deliver a more clear and delicate image. Enhanced color night vision in low light. Invisible 940 nm infrared LEDs offer you enhanced night vision without making any interruption. See the video in full color even in low light. Full encryption for privacy protection. Secure cloud storage using 128-bit advanced encryption standard. Ease and the whole data transmission is encrypted. Sleep mode provides more safe privacy protection. Mounting type: ceiling mount. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this gadgets, please check below mentioned buying options with amazing offers. Please subscribe my channel, press the notification button for more amazing gadgets videos.